All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about a variation on the strike scale, specifically focusing on the D strike. And this is going to be important for learning your next tune, which is going to be Amazing Grace. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. I'm going to pull the music up on your screen, and we can talk about each of the grace notes in the movement. So the D strike scale, as it appears in Amazing Grace, is going to have this G grace note on it to begin with. The note of the movement is D, and then there's going to be a G strike after that, and then the movement is going to end on D. So G grace note on D and strike. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you how that works on the chanter. So just D strike on its own. Okay, now let me go ahead and play the scale for you, coming from each scale note up to the movement here. All right, so if you had an issue with that scale, it's probably due to the fact that you're having a hard time going from each scale note up to D and back. So I would recommend doing a scale without the D strike, just going from each scale note to D and returning and trying that first, making sure you've mastered that before trying the D strike scale. What I mean by that is going like this. All the way up the scale and back down, making sure you do that cleanly without any crossing noises. And if you can do that, you should be good to go. So good luck, and I will see you in the next one.